In this video, I'll show you how to create a half circle in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and go to the Insert tab in the top left corner. From the Shapes menu, select the arc shape. Draw the arc by clicking and dragging on the slide as shown. Once the arc is drawn, right-click on it and choose Format Shape. A panel will appear on the right side. Select Solid Fill to fill the shape and adjust the width to around 20 to make it more visible. Next, drag the arc to adjust its size. Then, use the yellow square adjustment handle to modify the arc into a half circle. Stretch it as needed to get the perfect shape. And that's it, you've created a half circle in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.